Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to replace one word with another in WordPress. Like and subscribe and let's get started. For example, I took a short text about the morning routine of the girl Anna. Our task is to replace the name Anna with any other name such as Lily in the whole document. In order for the replacement to occur, we don't select anything in the entire document and go to the editing section and select the replace button. A little faster, this window is called with the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-H. Now in the Find What field we enter the name Anna. The case of the word is not important. And then in the Replace With field we type the name Lily. Case is already important here, so we type with the capital letter. When everything is entered, click Replace All and the name Anna is replaced with the name Lily throughout the text. And if you need to replace one word in some part of the text, then select this part of the text and do the same thing. Only after the replacement, click No button so that the word doesn't continue the replacement in the rest of the document. And that's it. Now a little more.